Welcome to TechSoftSolution. Today's session we will see how to create a table in Oracle database as well as in MS SQL Server. So in the last session we have seen what are the data types available in the Oracle database, and today's session we will see how to create a table in Oracle database. A command to create a table in the Oracle database is nothing but create table, where we can specify the name of the table and we will specify the column name like employee name, employee number, employee name, salary, city and date of birth, and we can specify the data type along with that particular column, what kind of along with that particular kind of columns, what kind of value that column may contain. Based on that we can specify the data type, and we can see like semicolon are appended after the round bracket. What do you mean by semicolon? Why we are inserting, why we are typing semicolon in the script of creating a table in the Oracle? If you are creating a table with the command line, so in that case we need to type a semicolon to end our command, and after ending the command, if we press the enter, the command will get executed and table got created for us. And create, like if you see create, it is written as C capital. We can run is C capital as well as C small, so the command in the Oracle case insensitive. We can check how to create a table in the command line of the Oracle. Let's go to the command line of Oracle. So as you can see on the desktop, we have a SQL plus shortcut for the Oracle. If we can run a window of a SQL plus, so as you can see, we need to provide the username, system, password would be root. We have connected to a database, so we want to create a table as an employee table, so we can create put a command create table name is nothing but emp, so we have put a table name as emp. So the next we need to insert a round bracket. We say emp number char, or so let's say for example char of 4. If you want to insert a number of 4 digits of our employee number, we can have a name of an employee. We can store the name of the employee in the varchar2 column, specify 25 character length to store a name of the employee. We can have a salary. We can store salary in number data type. We can have salary in 7,2 decimal fraction value. We can have a city of an employee, so we can introduce city column in the table. A city column can be of a varchar2 type, and we can store in 15 characters of variable length. We can have a date of birth of the employee, so we can store date of birth of the employee in the date data type, the end closing round bracket, and we need to provide the semicolon. By this, if you can see, right after entering, table has been created. If you want to select a table, you can say select star from emp, but the things is not running. That's the thing I said, semicolon is needed, no row selected. In the command line, this is the fact, we need to add every command by the semicolon. This is the place where we have created a table in the Oracle database, so we will create a table in the SQL database also. So what I can do, I can go in the database, I can create a database. So I have already created a database as YouTube for tutorial purpose of YouTube. So what we can do, we can create a script, open a script to create the table. So in the SQL server, Microsoft SQL Server, there could be a data types difference in between the databases. So yeah, in the SQL Server there is a difference between data types also. So we can create a table, create table name emp. Okay, we can provide a emp number. I can say emp number is the employee number. We can store employee number in the begin. So basically, if you want to store a number, long number, we can store in the begin. We don't need to provide any digit for that. If you want to store employee name, we can use varchar. Can provide, this is a variable length data type in the SQL Server. We can use salary. So if you want to store salary of the employee, we need to use decimal data type. Provide a 7,22 value for the column. We can store city. For city, we need to store a type by using varchar. In the varchar, we can provide 15. Date of birth, we need to store date of birth. We can use date and time too. So here we have a different data type, date and time, not a date. In the Oracle, it is a date, and in SQL Server, it is a date and time. Over here, we don't need to provide a semicolon. If you run this command, this is a SQL Server utility. So the table got created. If you can see, command has been executed successfully. If we select this table, we will see what is the exact output we will get. Yes, employee table. Okay, the next lecture topic will be how to insert a data into a table in Oracle as well as in MS SQL. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the comment. We will glad to help you. Thanks for watching. Hit our like button or subscribe our channel for more details for next lecture.